Have you ever stood in front of the mirror thinking, the outfit is good, but something's missing? In this video, I'll show you simple science-backed techniques that instantly elevate a basic outfit.
But you wouldn't mind if I get off of it? Wouldn't mind a nice blue.
Whether they're prescription frames or sunglasses, they frame the face. Sunglasses add mystery and instant coolness. Prescription style frames, because of cultural association, signal intelligence, professionalism, and confidence. So if you want to appear more polished and self-assured, glasses are a great choice. Now let's talk about hair. Your hair is basically the frame of your face, and it has a massive impact on your overall look. The easiest trick? Open Pinterest and explore. Pick a style you love and match it to your outfit. Just switching your part, trimming a few front pieces, or adding soft waves can completely transform your look. Bold hairstyles? Even better. They turn a simple outfit into something effortlessly stylish. Also, bold hair gives "I woke up confident today" vibes, even if you actually woke up late. And if you don't feel like styling your hair or you're in a rush, use hair accessories. Ribbons, clips, headbands, even a cute hat. Hats aren't an everyday essential, which is exactly why they work. When someone wears a hat, we assume they put effort into their style. Your brain interprets it as attention to detail and instantly labels the person as more stylish. If your outfit is neutral or dark, adding one small pop of color grabs attention immediately. A tinted inner corner, a colorful scarf, a bright back charm, anything. This comes straight from color theory. Contrast and emphasis. One drop of color acts like a focus point. Your brain picks up contrasting colors before it registers the rest of the outfit. That's why an accent color locks the viewer's eyes on you within seconds.
Parker calls it a pop of color.
Let's talk about something people overlook. Shiny elements, glitter, sparkle, rhinestones play with light. They create tiny reflective points your eyes is naturally drawn to without making the outfit look busy. A little shimmer in your eyes pulls attention upward. And in your outfit, rhinestone-studded denim is gorgeous and totally trending. You can even DIY it at home with some gems, glue, and creativity. Anything reflective acts as a signal of attractiveness because of the way it bends and bounces light. This takes us straight to jewelry. Jewelry instantly transforms a look, whether it's bold or minimal, because like I said, the eye is naturally drawn to shiny points. Personally, I think earrings are the strongest choice, especially hoops. Hoops and simple outfits are a perfect match. They complete your look and make you appear instantly more polished. Because sometimes, all it takes is a few smart little changes to shift your vibe from simple to effortlessly stylish.